I'm Stevie and I'm studying music performance and production. Yeah, a typical day really includes coming in, going to studios, recording your own songs, working with other people, mixing as well, mixing your own projects. In the first year it's quite sort of like you're given instructions and you're more led by the tutors, but in the second year you basically sort of left to your own devices and sort of like you know what you're doing now, get on with it sort of thing. I chose this course because I've always had a passion for music. It's something I enjoy doing. In my first year of college I was actually doing A-levels but found out it wasn't for me, so I decided to move and do music. The prep has been pretty good actually. I think we've had like 17 weeks, so because it's our second year project it takes up most of the year, so we've had a long time to sort it out, and yeah, it's quite exciting really. I'm actually quite pleased that we're doing it at Concord too. It's quite an opportunity. I would say the advice I'd give is make sure that you do have a passion for music, because I feel that some people would choose it because they think it's an easy subject. Like, I get that a lot, but it's not. You've really got to like what you're doing.